Headed to the train.
3 minutes. To your left, $50 holler home to that old time carousel and bears in the holler. Be sure to go over there and get you a little bear for the ride home. Everybody wants a little bear for the ride home. You ain't got a little bear for the ride home? That ride home is just unbearable. I got something for all you gentlemen folk on. If you're floating and Lordy, don't miss that saloon show. But don't go to the saloon to see the saloon show. It's at the Boatworks Theater this year. Want to put out that rage and that blaze, and everybody say it one more time. Fire in the hole.
Fire no!
To your right, Farmer Wilson's giant barn swing. Farmer Wilson came here to Silver Dollar City and built himself a big old barn. Built himself an even bigger barn swing. That thing will take 75 feet up in the air, send you back down through the barn, going on nearly 50 miles an hour. There ain't no chickens in that barn. At least that's what I can remember. The only outlaw run. You know why they call it outlaw run? It's so fast it'll make an outlaw run. 162-foot drop, 81 degrees, straight down, 68 miles an hour. First wooden coaster to go upside down 3 times. Outlaw run, where the good guys always win. Speaking of good guys, I just got word back to the depot that notorious train robber Alfie Bolin has done busted out of jail last night, and she's been seen heading our way. Everybody say, oh no!
Oh
no! Heard a little green. 3 shifts, why sonny, you just croaked. Ribbit. He's down there at the Silver Dollar Saloon buying rounds for everybody, singing happy days. Alright, let's see if we can't scare her off. Shake your fist at her and call her ugly. Oh, come on, folks. I wouldn't scare a church mouse off a piece of cheese. I said shake your fist at her and call her ugly. Alright, Conductor Freeman, why don't you get off the train and see what's going on up there?
Well, I might be ugly. You all are the ones that rode 2 miles out here to see me. So there.
Get up that hill.
What?
Get up that
Get
hill.
up that hill? I'm getting it.
What's the big idea of stopping my train out here in snake country?
Well, I'll tell you what, you ought to be proud I did. I stopped you to warn you.
Warn me about what?
Yankees!
Yankees?
Oh, buddy, up there around the bend, you got 9 of them. 9 of the biggest old Yankees that you ain't never gonna see. They all got these big old wooden war clubs just a swinging and a swatting, but they ain't hitting nothing.
How come?
I think they're New York Yankees. Woohoo!
Are they mean? There haven't been any Yankees here in 50 years.
50 years? Well, they're back.
They're back?
Yeah, they're kind of old by now, but yeah, they're back, and let me tell you, they're mean.
How do you know they're mean?
Well, last night, me and Raffy, we sneaked up on them. We heard them a-talking.
What'd they say?
Well, they said, whoopee! Yeehaw! Hey, hey, hey.
Well, I don't know if I understand that. What that means?
Well, I came back and I ciphered it out for you. Means they're going to swoop down on your train. Whoopee! Then they're going to burn it to the rails. Yeehaw! And then they're going to steal all the men. Hey, hey, hey. Folks, you better laugh at that. That's the best I got. In other words, it's a train robbery. So I want everybody, and I mean everybody, to get your hands up there and act scared. There you go. Come on, get them up, get them up. I can't believe y'all put them up just because I told you to. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to rob the train. I'm going to start right back here, work my way up there to those high rollers. Y'all get ready. I'm coming. All right.
Rolling.
Did you get a good one? There you go.
What do you think you're doing?
Oh, well, I'm just down here talking to all these nice folks. You got a Yankee right there. She got that wooden war club. Did you see that?
Oh, my.
Oh, my.
I'm going to give you a surprise.
What is it?
Lead.
Oh, no, I don't need no lead.
You know, I'm pretty Stevie, you.
What for?
I walked all the way down around that corner there and there was no Yankees.
No Yankees?
Not at all.
Huh.
And not only that, I come up here and I find you robbing my train.
Well, I'm real sorry about that.
Well, don't tell me you're sorry. Tell these fine folks you're sorry.
Really?
Really?
You're sorry.
That's not what I
Well,
meant.
that's what you said.
Women in the armed forces, that we have the freedoms and liberties that we deserve today. On behalf of all of us here at Silver Dollar City, God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for your service. Let's keep our active military in our thoughts and prayers so everybody can make it home safe. Folks, let's give a round of applause for our veterans and active military. Car number 1, green. Car number 2, green. Car number 3, green. Well, who would have guessed I'm riding on a train with a bunch of loudmouths? Give yourselves a round of applause. About our roundhouse? Well, it ain't round, it's square. That's right, we don't cut corners here at Silver Dollar City. Right over here to our right-hand side, just past the roundhouse, is the all brand new Mystic River Falls opening later this year. When that over half-mile long, over 200,000-gallon river rafting ride opens later this year, it'll feature the tallest drop on a river rafting ride in the Western Hemisphere at 45 feet tall. Mystic River Falls will open later this year, so be sure to come back and check it out. Don't forget to go over to the Rivertown Barbecue today. To your right is Fireman's Landing. Fireman's Landing is dedicated to all the brave men and women who proudly serve as firefighters, EMTs, and first responders across our great nation. God bless each and every one of you, and thank you for your service.
How you make it talk?